to go. First fish of the day. Just a little fella. No way. Just letting the Ned rig sit out there while I moved. First decent one of the day. Still a little guy. Nothing crazy. Whoa. Here's a nice one. It's a nice 16, 17 incher. He came flying out of the water a couple times. Nice little fish. Man, as soon as it hit the water again. Oh, he's coming right at the kayak. He's a runner. Not super big, but fight like he is. Another decent one. Oh yeah, there we go. There's a nice one. Big old chunk. 17 and a half, but man, just a chub scout. Oh, big old smallie. Get you back. Nice. No way. There's a decent one. Man, I'm just letting the Ned rig sit while I moved. I don't even know if the camera's up on top, so let's throw her on that guy. Nice little fish. First cast back off this point, and we got a nice one. There we go. Nice little chunk. Only about 15, 16 inches maybe, but about as chunky as it gets. Hey. Decent one in the dark sleeper. A little chunky guy. There's another nice one. Oh, look at that. That just popped out as soon as he got in the net. Come here, bud. I'll get you out of here. Another solid chunk. 16, 17 incher maybe. A decent one. Still on the Ned rig. I put a Strike King Rage Craw on and I got 2 hits and they didn't stick, so I figured maybe it was a little long, so I cut off 2 of the knobs, and I mean, that looks pretty good. That guy came and smashed it. Another one. Another decent little chunk. Fat little fish. Another 15, 16 maybe. Still haven't crossed the 18 mark, I don't think, today. Oh man. Oh, another big one. Real big one. Stay on there. Oh, boy. This one is a toad. That's a nice healthy fish. That might go 18. I'll get a measurement on him. If I get him to shut his mouth. Almost. Just about 18. Just short maybe. Tournament I'd probably go 17.75 with that guy. Mouth closed, yeah. 17.75, but nice healthy fish. Big old chunk.